Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to download Escape the Backrooms on your PC. First, make sure you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular gaming platform that gives you access to a wide variety of games. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Steam website using your browser. Click the Install Steam button in the top right corner and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Steam client. Once Steam is installed, launch the application. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Click on Create a Free Account and fill in the necessary information, such as your email address and a secure password. After setting up your account, log in to access the Steam interface. Next, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Click on it and type Escape the Backrooms. The game should appear in the search results. Click on its title to open the store page for more details. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. Once you've bought the game, go to the Library tab at the top. You will see Escape the Backrooms listed among your games. Click on it to open its library page, and then press the Install button. A window will pop up asking where you want to install the game on your computer. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The download will begin automatically. After the download is complete, a Play button will appear in your library. Click it to launch Escape the Backrooms. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.